Everyone, today I'm going to show everybody how to mark skill. Alright, as you guys know, on the 16th week of every term, we have to mark skills so that the kids can actually be transferred to a new skill for next term. Alright, so to log in, very simple, you are already assigned with your name, okay, and your password. So upon login, you can see my schedule. On top, right on top of the sidebar over here, which is my schedule. You can actually give it an example now on number 3, Saturday 9 to 10 a.m. for my Khatib class. I have a list of a few levels combined. Now, over at the total number of students here, you can click on the number. And there's an action button. Say for example, if I'm marking skill for Victoria here, number 3. Go to Learning Progress Report. Edit. And click on the skills that this kid is able to do. For example, if this kid can't complete all, you can just tick. Okay, it's not necessary for you to tick all the skills. Basically, it's along the way. This is a good tracking method for you to keep track of the kids' progression. So towards the end of the term, right, you just have to click off all button. So make sure the kid is able to achieve all the skills here. In Starfish 1, for example, over here. And then make sure you click the last button, which is here at the bottom. Has the kids completed the objective? If there's a comment, you can fill that comment like good job, see you next term, okay, and click save. So these are comments and the back of the cert which the parents can see. Once you think that is correct, a last check, click publish. Alright, so make sure you check. Because at the moment, we are unable to unpublish the cert. Only the AM and backend can do it. So make sure you do it correctly. We are feedbacking to the developers, and maybe soon they will be able to help us improve that function on unpublishing it. If we make any error, you can actually go back there and edit. But not for now. So try to do this carefully. Okay, so you can see that it's published on the 28th Jan. And once it's published, the parents can actually download the cert, and the cert actually looks like this. Let me just open this up and show you. Yes, this is how it looked like. Okay, this is just a sample one because I'm on test site. Actual cert will not be like just like that. There will be actually a front copy. Okay, so this is done. Now another method will be going to academic management. You can click on Learning Progress Report by coming to here under my students. Right at the bottom of academic management, you see Learning Progress Report. Now this is another method for you to do either on a desktop or on a mobile version. Mobile version and desktop works the same. So for me, if let's say I want to filter the course by all my Starfish 1 classes, I can just click on Starfish 1 on course. Okay, click submit. Then you can actually see all the kids I have in Starfish 1. And you can actually filter them by selecting 100. You can see right now all the way to the bottom I have 98 kids under me in Khatib for Starfish 1. Say if I'm going to mark skill for student number 2, you can either right click, okay, just a moment, you can either right click and open it up as a link and mark all the skills on another tab, or you can just mark from here with all the checklists checked if this kid is competent to clear this level, following by the same step. Okay, check and publish. Okay, and there you are, cert publish. Then you can go back to list and repeat the same step as you can see here. Okay, alright, so this is it. Very simple. Alright, I hope everybody can assist the venues and the AM to have this done so that we can transfer the kids to the next term, next level for next term. Thank you very much. If you do have any questions, do feel free to text us or text me directly. Okay, thank you. Have a good weekend of lesson. See you soon.